The marketing department here to show you how to install your bow. The first thing we did was we went inside the garage, opened it a few inches, and fed our fishing wire through the garage door holder and put the two loose ends outside. Then you're going to take your bow out of the box, take the tissue out, feed the fishing string through the top hook, and tie it. Provided with 2 pieces of fishing wire, make sure you cut them so you can have 5 pieces. Now that your bow's installed, we're going to install the tag. Pull the tag out of your box, and we have the double-sided tape in these little baggies. I'm going to put one at each corner. Okay, we're good. And tuck it in. If it's not sold on this side, if it is sold, flip it around, remove the double-sided tape, and put it on the back side. And that's how you install your bow.